In this tutorial, we will see how to work with Docker images. If we want to check the images that we have, we should type the command docker images. And as you can see here now, we don't have any images. But if I do docker pull in, we pull an image. Let's pull, for example, Alpine. And now if we type docker images, we see that we have one image in here. Let's pull another image. Let's pull Amazon Linux, for example. Now if we check the images, we see that we have two images, the Amazon Linux and Alpine. We pulled them from the Docker Hub, so if you look for Linux in here, we pulled this Alpine and this Amazon Linux. So if we want to change the name of the image, we can use this command to rename the image. So let's type docker image tag, then the name of the image. We can refer to the image by its name or by the image ID. Let's get the image ID and let's give it a name. I'll use my username first, then give it the same name. Now if we do docker images, we see that we have this one. These two are the same, so if we remove one, it's the same. So if you remove one, the other will be removed. We want to push this one to our Docker Hub. I don't have anything in my Docker Hub repository. Let's push this one. To do that, I'll do docker push and then the name of the image that I want to push. Of course, if you're not logged into your Docker Hub, it won't push the image. Now if we refresh here, we see that we have this image in here. I don't need this image, so I will delete it now. And if we want to remove any image, we can type the command first. Let's do docker images to see what the images that we have. We have these three images. If we want to remove one of them, we can type the command docker remove image and then refer to the image by its name or the ID. Let's delete this one. We can't remove this repository, we must force it, so let's do -F. And if we check again, we no longer have that image. If you want to remove all the unused images, you can type the command docker image prune -A. To confirm, type Y, and now we don't have any images. Also, if you want to remove any images, even if they're used, you can type the command remove all images. And this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will see how to work with Docker containers. See you then.